So welcome to yesterday's recap. Actually, today is Tuesday, the 28th of October. I took a trade today, but you will see the trade in the live trading, which I will upload, and also the trade recap. Today I will upload the trade recap from yesterday, and then so on for the week. So the week will be finished. The Friday recap will come on Sunday or Saturday, and yeah, that's how it goes this week. So let's take a look to the trading on Monday. Monday was daylight savings, the first day of daylight savings. We have 7 days, so the full week basically. And yeah, I have my trading broker next to me to see where I entered exactly. So let's mark out what I saw. I saw London low right here. I saw Asia low right here. I saw London high right here. And what's interesting here, we basically formed equal highs with this 1 hour high. Interesting to know. Okay, so I deleted now. So that's basically what we saw. We have not really anything more. We have this 1 hour low, and that's pretty much it. So starting into market open, we have this London high with this equal high here, which is really high confluence. We have this 1 hour high and this London low, 1 hour low and London low. We have Asia low right here, and we have Asia high right here. So this is a typical scenario of Asia manipulation in London and reversal. So this played out already. Okay, so we are waiting for some kind of new manipulation. So let's see what happens. First candle forms, big wick, but nothing really too crazy. Okay, so what can we see here? We sweep out this 1 hour low. Let us see on the 15 minute. On the 15 minute, we are currently bearish in bearish market structure, but we sweep this 1 hour low. We have London low right here, so you have to be really cautious about taking a long here, because it's really obvious that we may be gonna take out London lows. So I saw that we swept out the 1 hour low and waited for some sort of confluence, and I got my confluence. We have a 1 minute inverse fair value gap here. Now we have a bullish fair value gap right here, which we dipped into it, but we inversed it again. So if we would have been like a bullish reaction out, I would have taken the trade, but we didn't. So I waited. We get a bullish reaction again, a bearish fair value gap respect again, and we get a 1 minute break in combination with this 1 minute inverse fair value gap. And I'm not quite sure, but I believe this is also a 1 minute SMT. So on the 2 minute, we can see that there's no real fair value gap right here. On the 3 minute, we can also see there's no real fair value gap right here. But what we can see is that we have a lot of low resistance liquidity on the 1 minute time frame. We have a high right here, high right here, high right here, high right here, and London highs, which are equal highs. So seeing this is pretty obvious for me that market wants to take out this before doing anything else. So this day was a little bit special day. Let me check when I entered exactly. I entered 54. Okay, this 40. Okay, I entered basically on this candle. Yeah, I entered right here. My fill was around here, my first position, and my second position, right? Okay, so basically on average, basically on the break of structure. I put my stop loss for one position right here. For the second position, I put my stop loss right here, and for both trades, the take profit was the London highs, the equal highs, because we know price wants to go here before doing anything else, but we don't really know what price is going to do after, so we want to be out of the trade as soon as possible, especially in this week, because in this week anything can happen. There's so much fundamental events happening, so we want to be as safe as possible. So as we can see, a little bit of drawdown, but in the end both positions hit take profit. yeah, in conclusion, because I didn't risk too much because of the week which is ahead of us, I made 0.8%. Yeah, so not the best trading day, but profit is profit. Um, I knew where the market wanted to go. Now it's okay. Now it's sad to see because the market, yeah, did basically nothing, and then yeah, after we pushed higher, but yeah, whatever. It's nothing. It's really we did nothing. So getting out with this trade for this price action is really perfect. So I'm really happy for the trading for Monday. So on the week right now, 0.8% profit. And yeah, let's see what Tuesday can bring us, and especially what Wednesday and Thursday will give us. Um, yeah, on Tuesday, I expect price to move higher, just because we have to price in all the good fundamental news, the 0.25% rate cuts, and the meeting from Trump and Xi Jinping. So, yeah, I expect higher on Tuesday, but let's see what Tuesday can offer. On Wednesday, I will stay out of the market, at least for New York Open, but on FOMC, I will maybe short the first reaction of rate cuts. So yeah, I'm not really sure, but if I do something, I will do a live trading for it because I expect that we go up now on Monday, on Tuesday, and Wednesday morning to like price in all the good news, and then on Wednesday get a little liquidation down on all markets to then go higher, and I want to catch this leg down. That's the plan for today. On Thursday, I think we will go really higher aggressively because of Trump and Xi Jinping and the meeting about the tariffs and stuff. And Friday, let's see. So that's the outlook for the week. That was trading on Monday, 0.8%, 1 to 0 on the week. And let's see what Tuesday can bring.